It's Andy at Ninox Corporation. I want to talk about what happens when one inventory item or a variation of that item has alternate or multiple ID numbers or product SKUs. Let's look at our inventory module. And this topic applies to raw materials, sub-assemblies, and finished good products. Maybe you have multiple companies that all sell the same product. Maybe you have different vendors who sell you a raw material. You have it under one inventory item number, they have it under a different number. So you can use the alternate SKU feature at both the raw material, subassembly, and finished good level. Let's go ahead and look at a particular raw material. And here in the bottom right-hand corner, we see an alternate SKU list. This allows us to define alternate ID numbers for different companies within our ecosystem. I'll go ahead and click on the alternate SKU icon, and this will give me the option to create a different ID number for this product that we have coded as a C1337. Let us say that we have a supplier, we'll call that Trans Corporation, and they call it a 123XYZ. And they specifically ask us to use that code as the reorder part number when placing a purchase order when we need to restock our inventory. So now we can see that the item that we call a C1337 here, our supplier, Transco, calls a 123XYZ. Exact same product, just two different ways of identifying it. Every product, raw material or subassembly, can have an unlimited number of alternate SKUs. Only one primary SKU, but unlimited number of alternate SKUs.